Okay, so the Waves platform has changed to LevelDB data storage on the testnet and the mainnet. So what does this mean? It means less memory consumption. And that's the gist. That's the important thing that you need to know. Furthermore, LevelDB was created by Jeff Dean, who was a fellow of Google, so it's a part of the larger Google project. It can be used with C++ and Node.js. Bitcoin uses LevelDB. I believe it's been using LevelDB for, I don't know, maybe 4 years. And using LevelDB with Bitcoin, and obviously Google uses it, proves that using JSON formats for databases works, and it's really efficient for scalability. The older way that we used to use databases was using SQL. Fine technology, but using things like LevelDB has proven to be more efficient and scalable. So on a personal level, when I'm using SQL and I have to write a method or a function, the lines of code, there's more lines of code. And when I'm using something that uses JSON format, there's less lines of code. Less lines of code means takes up less memory, and we want to use large scale financial technologies. It's very important that we are using memory efficient languages. So Bitcoin uses C++ and LevelDB, and Waves uses Scala and LevelDB. And it's very important. It's very important for memory consumption, and it's also harder. It's harder to hack. So with the Turing complete blockchain technologies like Ethereum, they get hacked and they're easier to mess with. So Bitcoin and Waves are the two most, on a technological level, are the two most efficient blockchain technologies there is. Waves platform now has 1,000 transactions per second, just making it the fastest and most efficient cryptocurrency there is at the moment. So it may not be very exciting for some, but this means that Waves is getting more efficient. And so the direction Waves is going for 2018 is that when we have less memory consumption, it'll be cheaper and more cost effective to run individual nodes. So the problem that Bitcoin has is that there's very small number of people with large amount of mining farms running the network, which is making the network more centralized. Whereas with Waves, we're trying to make the network more decentralized by make it a lot easier for people to get 1,000 Waves and run their own Waves node, and thus making the network more decentralized. And again, using LevelDB, now since the memory consumption is lower, it'll be easier for ordinary people who aren't large wealthy Chinese businessmen to run their own nodes. So thank you very much, Wave Platform, for making the best blockchain technology there is at the moment. Live free or die trying.